Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. The world is changing fast, but change doesn't always mean loss. The economic conflict between China and the United States is making headlines. Yes, there are real ways you can make money from these global changes, and the best part, most of them don't need a huge investment or fancy degree. So grab a notebook or open your Notes app because this video might just change how you think about income. Right now, China and the US are involved in an ongoing economic conflict. This means trade restrictions, technology bans, and global companies changing their suppliers and workforces. Our first and easiest way to earn is freelancing. If you know writing, design, editing videos, voiceovers, or social media, you can start today. Sites like Upwork, Fiverr, freelancer.com, LinkedIn have daily jobs. Global supply chains are shifting. Products from China are harder to get, creating opportunities. You can find products from Vietnam, Turkey, or locally, and sell online, using Shopify, Etsy, Instagram shops. Invest in global trends, AI, green energy, Southeast Asia. Start with ETFs using apps like eToro, Robinhood, or local brokers. One of the most powerful ways to earn: content creation. Review gadgets, explain news, teach tips, and grow YouTube or TikTok channels. 5-step quick start plan. 1. Pick a method. 2. Learn 1 to 2 hours daily. 3. Set up profile store. 4. Take small daily steps. 5. Track progress weekly. If you know where to look, every shift becomes an opportunity. Comment below which method are you going to try first. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Your future is waiting. Start today.